So we'll be taking you with us.
No copy were thought to be mythological creatures until 1901, until they are officially discovered by the Western world. They are not related to zebra in any way, even though they have those striped legs. It's actually the only known relative of the giraffe. And they are highly endangered because of the way they look, so they've been hunted and poached to endangerment. Like a giant fingernail, but it make much sense. So over here, another couple greater kudu and a bongo, that reddish-brown antelope. Bongos are known as ghosts on reserves like this. They're critically endangered mostly due to deforestation, also poaching for their beautiful coats. Now already we have seen one endangered species, two critically. They can go up to 5,500 pounds at their max of their act as well. Look at this bunch of hippos on the left. They can. A group of hippo like this is called bloats, B-L-O-A-T, bloats of Nile hippopotamus. There's also some pelicans around. Those are pink-backed pelicans, getting the name for the pink-backs. They show off during mating season. And I mentioned a couple of species that are on the reserve just to be parts of the ecosystem. That would be the pelican. In this case, they are not threatened in any way. They're just here to be part of the ecosystem. While hippos, they are of a bloat. That's a lot of food. Oh, and also look at this, some crocodile. The largest crocodilians in Africa. They get up to 16 feet long on average. They're their max outfit, recorded up to 20 feet long. And like the one in the distance, elephants, rhinos, and plenty others. Even ostrich, the world's largest bird, all call this the land of their home. And already, so you can see giraffe in the distance. I see Ankole cattle. And hopefully we can find some more animals. We'll talk about the Egyptian longhorns. You can call them longhorns, I guess. You can also call them Watusi cattle, because it was the Watusi tribe that first domesticated the plant after a very long time ago. There's a couple of them around. They are not hyena. They're not related to hyena in any way. They're called dogs, but they're very, very closely related to fox. And they are one of the most endangered predators due to habitat destruction. Very, very few. Oh, please put children down, guys. Everyone needs to sit down, including little ones, okay? So parents, little ones have to stay seated too. Okay? Honestly, there are very, very few African wild dogs left out in the wild due to habitat destruction. Now, another animal over on the left there. It's actually the emblem of the reserve, the sable antelope. Sable arched. Now, this is the Maasai species. Maasai have very jagged, regular spots and patterns. All the species of giraffe are very delicate, not like patterns. And there are 7 main species of giraffe throughout Africa. And the Maasai are conservation dependent, so they're here to be protected. Another animal over here on the right, gray and black animals. That's the white-bearded wildebeest, one of the most populated wild mammals on the planet. Pretty cute. Again, born a couple months ago, about 3.5 months ago here on the reserve. This is a juvenile and an adult female. Juveniles will stay with their mothers anywhere from 13 to 16 years of age. At that point, male elephants will leave the herd and come back. Look over here on the left. A monkey laying down kind of in the shade over here on the left. It's a mandrill female. A mandrill coming in mining for coal to destroy the homes of these animals. The easy thing you guys can do to help these animals is to recycle your electronics or dumbly. Instead of throwing them away and putting them in stores, simply recycling electronics will make a difference. I promise you that. Now, it's kind of hard to tell, but I'm pretty sure, just by size alone, that that's a male. So we saw a couple. Oh yeah, that's definitely a male. A little bit better than you can see. It's a very big animal. And again, it's all fine. Oh, and also look at this. Some flamingos. These are greater flamingos, the largest and yet lightest shade of pink out of all the flamingo species. When they're born in a grayish white. It takes up to 2 years for them to get that proper pink color. And a group of flamingos is called the flamboyants. So, flamboyant, so greater flamingo. The white rhino, they are very large, getting up to 5,000 pounds. They can charge up to speeds of around 35 miles an hour. They have terrible eyesight. You can only see about 10 or 15 feet clearly in front of them. That's why a group of rhinos is called a crash, because when they run, they get near each other. Even though they were, you could see them at the same time, they won't interact with each other, even if they could. Very solitary, very lonely creatures, the black rhino. That's the on the left. The world's fastest land animal, running anywhere from 65 to 70 miles an hour. They're built for speed, but not endurance. They get destruction. And there's also this Kopi. This Kopi is very well known here on the reserve. It's one of the highest points of the reserve. It's a good vantage point. It's also home to a pride of lions. So you can often find lions in this area of the reserve. Oh yeah, like that female lion laying just laid down. They are not nocturnal animals. Most big cats are. One of the main exception to that would be cheetah. Cheetah are diurnal actually during the day. At least 2 lions and 2 female lion. Now the females do the majority of the hunting, while males, they are going to be the ones that are protecting it. But usually they leave it to the females. The females get up to about 300 pounds. Males can get up to about 500 pounds. Very, very, very big animals. Very powerful. Both genders are able to run up to speeds of 30 miles an hour and lead it. They are common, so that's another animal that's here just to be part of the ecosystem. They're not the smartest creatures in the world. I'm not trying to be mean, it's just simple truth.
We've just come in from Animal Kingdom, and we're planning on going out to the malls, and we got a very nice little present from the management team, it said, I think. Thank you for staying with us. Please let us know if you need anything. The Caribbean Beach Leadership Team. Okay. A lovely bag. That's 2 we've had off them. And some chocolate. Now, the boy said I couldn't open this because I had to show you first. So now I can open them. So let's have a look. And it says, may these little pieces of chocolate inspire big ideas, lasting friendships and a lifetime of laughter. More importantly, let's have a look at the chocolates. Oh, I don't know whether I can do this with one hand. I don't want to rip it. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's actually a solid chocolate bar with Caribbean Beach on it, and a little boy with a balloon and 30 on it. That's nice of them. So now we're off to the mall. Don't think we'll take you with us because, to be honest, it's only shopping we're doing, and I'll do a haul once we get home. So we'll catch you later.